current time is 2:57 p.m. Central. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, southwestern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Marktree, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pingway, Witten, Dimple, Dias, Tillett, Deckerville, Venetia, Marktree, Dub, Lepanto, Chelford, Birdsong, Norton, Alto, Bondsville, Judd Hill, Denwood, Frenchman's Barrel, Joyner, and Creamery Package. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Arkansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Crittenden, Mississippi, and Poinsett. The current time is